How to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it on both iPhone and Android. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. On iPhone, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. On Android, tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap See More in Account Center. From here, select Manage Accounts. Next, tap Manage, which is beside the Facebook. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. You'll now see two options, Deactivate Account or Delete Account. If you choose Deactivate Account, your profile will be hidden temporarily, but you can reactivate it later by logging back in. If you choose Delete Account, your Facebook account and associated data will be permanently removed after the deletion process is completed. Select the option you want and tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to review information about your account and enter your password to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you finish the confirmation steps, your account will either be deactivated or scheduled for permanent deletion. That's how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account.